For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attractions, kindly click the subscribe button. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Experiencing Naija. Craving a road trip? How about a road map from the capital city of Abuja to the food basket of the nation, Benue State, Nigeria? Heading south out of the capital city, we drive through bordering towns of Karu, Masaka, and Maraba to the local government area of Kefi. A town in Nasarawa State, Nigeria, founded in the early 17th century. It is 50 kilometers from Abuja. Two major landmarks in the town of Kefi are the Sabungida Market and the Nasarawa State University, which sits along Kefi-Akwanga Expressway. Next stop is Akwanga Local Government Area. It is popularly known to have the highest number of schools in Nasarawa State. And a major landmark in the town for travelers is the roadside market at Budi. Next is a drive-by Egon local government area, also known as Nasarawa Egon, and then Lafia. Lafia is the capital city of Nasarawa State and was founded by Muhammadu Dunama in the late 17th century. It is home to a number of institutions including the Federal University of Lafia, College of Agriculture Lafia, amongst others. The Kadago Palace is also one of the beautiful landmarks for travelers in the city of Lafia. A drive further and voila! The local government area of Otubo, Benue State. For the adventurous traveler, there are chill spots, hotels, and roadside restaurants along the way to rest from the day's drive and fuel your system. Don't forget to enjoy the scenery and stop by some beautiful tourist sites and attractions on your way. For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attractions, kindly click the subscribe button. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Experiencing Naija.